Now, live from KUSI, this is Good Business San Diego. Sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Hi, I'm Roy Robertson. Welcome to Good Business San Diego, where we talk about the small businesses that are such a big part of our everyday lives. And the following is brought to you by Semper Solaris. They, of course, as you know, are the local veteran-owned company that has been helping San Diegans save on high utility costs for many years with solar systems and with battery storage. Now they've added more ways for you to save and make your home more energy efficient. Help you declare your energy independence with services from Semper Home. Kelly Shawhan, the co-owner of Semper Solaris and Semper Home, has all of the details. Kelly, welcome back. Good to have you here. I know you're rightfully proud of what it is that you have built through the years. And you say you cannot be beat. Tell us why.
Well, we can't be beat because call us. For battery and solar, we're the fastest people in the state. And so we do an awful lot of business. We're the largest guy for battery and solar in the state. Yeah. So we're able to pass those savings on to the homeowner. And call us, and if you have another quote, we'll see if we can beat it. I mean, in most cases, we won't be beat. Okay. And we'll probably do an inspection of your home and find 3 or 4 other things you might want to do, such as whole house fans, things like that. If you have a whole house fan, which doesn't run that much money, and we install them like that, you don't even have to run your AC at night, even though it's 90 degrees out at night. Because
well, that would be a welcome relief these days.
It costs you a dime.
How soon can you be in Scripps Ranch?
What's that?
How soon can you be in Scripps Ranch?
What are you doing this afternoon?
I may give you a call. Yeah, so I really, seriously, when you're talking about fast service, how responsive can you be, especially when the demand is so high?
You know, it's July, and obviously it's hot as heck outside, and so, you know, we get a lot of calls, but things, you know, and it depends on where you live and what your permit process is like and some things like that, but not for a whole house fan. Not for new doors and windows. That goes in really, really quickly too, and as many of our products do. And even the ones that have permit processing we have to go through, we're still the quickest in the state. Somehow, maybe because we're Marines. I don't know.
I guess so. And you have to have that inventory on hand to be able to do that too.
Pretty close, yeah. Some things, you know, we do have to special order the windows and doors to perfectly fit at your home, but it doesn't take that long.
Okay, so being fast doesn't necessarily mean, though, and I know in the case of Semper Solaris, it does not mean that you compromise. You've got the quality equipment and the quality installers.
I'll give you 3 words for that one. Made in America. That's what we use. We use stuff that's made in America. We always have, we always will, and that's for one of the first things we started in this town. There were other companies that were selling any panel under the sun from who the heck knows what rat-faced country, and but you know what? We use American.
Okay, and of course you have become a big employer through the years in San Diego, and I know that you hire veterans. You're veteran-owned, and you support veterans by hiring them and giving them opportunities.
As much as possible. Not all of our employees are veterans. Unfortunately, they don't have enough former Marines and former airmen and former soldiers and former sailors out there for me to pull from that are, you know, equipped with the talent to do what they have to do. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd hire nothing but vets. But we hire a bunch.
Let's talk about the way that you've diversified through the years with Solar Home. You mentioned some of the other services. We have talked extensively about solar and about battery. Tell us about some of the other things that you're able to do.
Like I mentioned, windows and doors are huge right now. They're getting a lot of calls for windows and doors. Things like whole house fans. When's the last time you checked your insulation? How much insulation is in your attic?
Oh, it's terrible. Yeah, I know that for a fact. I haven't looked. I know it's terrible.
I'm just telling you right now. You don't like that big electric bill, and you know your insulation's terrible. Insulation's cheap. Insulation goes in like lickety split, and all of a sudden you're not running the AC as much. Period. I mean, it's like I'm really cold at night without my blanket on. Should I put a blanket on? Well, it's the same thing with your insulation. Right. It keeps that cold air in.
Yeah, and sadly, a lot of us just learned to live with it, including me, right?
Yeah. Okay. Scripps Ranch, you say?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
2:30 this afternoon? Of course, all of these things work together to, as you love to say, declare your energy independence.
You got to declare your independence from SDG&E or any other electric provider you have. They're only going up. Read the paper. They already got an 8.7% increase for next year. We're talking about like 10% a year for the last 5 or 10 years. You want to keep paying that? We can lock you into something way lower than that for the next 25 years. You want to you want to deal with those people, except in a major emergency or something.
Okay, find out all of your options by going to sempersolaris.com and schedule that appointment this afternoon at 2:30. Sempersolaris.com is the website, and we will be right back with more of Good Business San Diego right after this.
Hoorah!